Hi, today I'm going to give you Tesla and AMD, these two stocks, the analysis with monthly chart, weekly chart, and daily chart, and to tell you what is the opportunity and when is how to use this kind of indicator to buy and sell. Hi, welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about the you and money strategy and mindset. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend if you like this kind of strategy thing. So first, now we look at the Tesla monthly chart. And this is just for education purpose. It's nothing to do, I'm not your financial advisor. Okay, so this is our monthly chart. And you can see this indicator is MACD. Basically, you can type here MACD. They will form this indicator. And when this green bar happen, it means this is the long power. This is the long power is stronger than the short power. It means the buying power is more than the selling power. Okay. And the color of the green, it means how's the strength of the buying power. When it's deep green, it's strong. When it's light green, this is weaker buying power, but still buying power still go up. Okay. When this is red bar, basically it means the selling power is more than the buying power. When this is deep red, this is the strength of the stronger selling power. This is less strong selling power. Okay, so it's quite interesting indicator to tell you this is a strong or this is weak. Okay, but you can see also these two lines. These two lines, when the blue line above this orange line, it means this is a strong market. When the orange line above, this is a weak market. It's similar to this two color bar things. Okay, so basically one thing you need to be aware is this indicator is a bit postponed. So let's see, but it's very good for people who like to trade with the trend. Okay, so let's see when the green bar disappear here, you sell at this bar. Some people say, oh, it is not the peak. But remember, when we do trade, we don't need to sell at the top price. Okay, we just need to sell high and we buy low. Okay, and already you make a very good profit. We sell relatively high price when we have a signal, we sell. Okay, so it's quite interesting. And last time I've mentioned with other indicator also, when Tesla go up like okay, last time when they changed from pink to red is in 219. Basically you can see here. Okay, basically around, wow, it's not long time ago, 2019 November. At that time, it was around 20 to 24. Okay, let's say if you use this strategy to buy at that time, you long hold it and you sell until the red signal happen. So the red signal, let's say you sell the lowest price, you still have 273. This candle, the longest, the highest is 380 to 273. You can sell any day of this from $20 to 273. Let's say you can make minimum 10 times. Okay, so it's a very good strategy and easy. So this is for monthly chart. So, and this we are going to expect the green bar will happen. Okay, so we have not closed this bar yet, but we most likely will come, the blue line go across above this orange line, and the green bar will happen. Okay, either the next month or this month. So you can see, hopefully, so you can wait for very long term, you must say, you can wait, but you can see the trend. Monthly chart tell us this is a bear market or bull market. Okay, so you can see we are not yet with this indicator, we are not yet confirmed this is a bull market yet. And but you can see also here, we are still under this trend line. So basically it can tell you we are still battling with this long-term trend line. So when we are still under this trend line, we are still under the bear market. Okay, because it's still, you can see this is still lower low, lower high, and we form a lower high, a higher high, and a higher high and higher low. Okay, so but we need to close this candle first. This is a monthly chart. So the next one I want to show you is our weekly chart. So you look closer. This is our golden ratio. Okay, so you from the highest point to the lowest point, you can see we are now the body is close, saying below 61.8. The wick already above, but we're getting close to this 61.8. We're already above 50%. Okay, so it means we are in a strong trend. So when we are above this 50%, okay, if they cannot go above this 50%, let's say they go down, they will go lower, but we go above. Okay, so it's better for this 61.8%. And even it comes down, it's possible it comes down to 50% for our pullback. It's possible. It's a weekly chart. It's possible you go up. It's never, there's no market. It always go up. You need to take a break to come down to go up. Okay, always like this. Just bear in mind that this is a weekly chart. When they have a pullback, basically we don't just pull back for 1 or 2 weeks. If you look at Tesla history, when they pull back for quite a, like 3 or 4 candles minimum. Okay, so we will expect some pullback later. Okay, so let's see how it goes. But I want to show you the daily chart. The daily chart is our favorite indicator. When we are in the red zone, we buy. I'm not going to tell you we have a buy signal today or sell signal today. I'm not going to do this, but I want to show you this area, this 2 purple area. Basically, this candle jump up, this candle jump up, but they are quite different. This is a strong drum, it's a strong momentum, and this purple area serve as a support line. Okay, and you can see when they jump, they can come back to test this support level, come back up again. They come down. This bottom of the purple line serve as a support line. They go up. But this drum is less strong than the first one. Why? Because this one did not come down to this purple area the first 3 days. They go up. This first 3 days, basically the whole body come down this one. Okay, so it means it's less strong. So let's see the momentum. But I want to show you this thing, the trend line. So you can see this trend line. I want to predict when it's going to the next target price. I'm not saying we will hit this and go down again. No, if you buy as a long-term investor, let's say you buy with this strategy, you can long hold when the green bar happen. Okay, but if you're a swing trader, you need to be careful, or at least it will give you a bit cautious. Don't buy at this point. Okay, you buy above this line. Okay, so basically, I want to show you is you draw a line to connect these 3 dots, the wick, and basically you have this line. And when we use the same speed, let's say Tesla continue to use the same speed to go up, we will hit this line around this candle. Okay, so maybe 2 more candle. So this is this week, this is this week, 2 more candle to hit this trend line, and this trend line would be around 313 or 310. But you can see we are basically hitting this 4 week here. So it's quite interesting. Everything matched together. Do you think so? Wait, look. So basically when we hit this line, we are hitting the top of the wick, almost there. Okay, so they basically 310, 320 is our resistance for this. It's no guarantee will go above or below, but let's see. Okay, so this one, just a bit cautious that don't buy at that point. Don't buy when it's close to that point. Okay, so it's a good warning to us that it may have a pullback. Okay, the next one I want to check with you is AMD. I've mentioned also previously about this stock, AMD. So let's say we use the same indicator to check. So you can see here is stronger than Tesla because it goes faster to have the red area, the green area. So it's already 3 bars here, 3 months already being confirmed. We are in a strong trend. So you can see this is, we are already in a bull market for the AMD. And AMD, let's see the golden ratio. The golden ratio is stronger. You see, we are the whole body above the 61.8%, and it comes down to 50% as a retest, and this serves as a support. So far, we stand above this 50%, so we are very safe. The wick go down is fine, just the whole body doesn't close below this 50%, we are safe. This is a weekly chart. So the 50% is 109.57. So let's say 109. When the price go above 109 for the weekly candle, we are safe, okay? So let's look at the daily chart. Daily chart, we are in the green zone area, but the good thing is we're getting more narrow. So it means that we will expect a red zone coming to soon, okay? But we still need to wait maybe one more day tomorrow, okay? It's possible this candle come down to this green zone and serve as a support. It's normal that they will have a pullback, and it will actually provide you an absolutely good buying opportunity, okay? So I've mentioned this area and this area is very similar. You see the pattern. So you can check my previous video about AMD. I will put below. So this is a very good chart to understand. First, you analyze the monthly chart. Is it worth to buy or not? If we are in the deep red area, like a strong selling power, so at that time you don't buy it because you are against the force, okay? We go with the force, okay? Remember, right? Just like Star Wars, we go with the force, okay? So this is my sharing today. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And I think this week I will share with you more about the strategy thing, how to give you more free lessons, how to trade or how to predict the price, because I just it's so many tricks to predict when is the price apart from the trend line or resistance or the support line, okay? So click like, subscribe, and share with your friend, and let's get rich from trading together. I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.